Shade Dome by Transportable Shade Sheds. Transportable Shade Sheds is a game changer in the global manufacturing industry. Our award-winning products boast a state-of-the-art bending and swaging technology that has sold over 70,000 units and counting, due to its strength and practical application. Introducing the Shade Dome by Transportable Shade Sheds. Our Shade Dome is a popular shade and storage solution due to its versatility. It's easy to install, fully transportable, heavy-duty, and cost-effective. This heavy-duty structure can be mounted directly on the ground or between two standard shipping containers using our mounting brackets. You don't need to weld our Shade Dome to your containers. The Shade Dome is the ideal shade solution for your workshop. It can be used for an on-site shelter or storage for bulk goods like sand or steel. It can also protect heavy equipment and machinery from the elements. It is designed to maximize space and protection of your goods in a cost-effective way. It features a sturdy frame made of galvanized steel tubes. Each of the components easily slips together. No cutting or welding required during its assembly. The Shade Dome also features a heavy-duty, fire-resistant PVC fabric. It is 100% waterproof and UV-resistant. The PVC roof cover is secured by industrial ratchet straps. It comes in two common sizes: the 8 meters wide, 3 meters high, and 6 meters long Shade Dome, and the 12 meters wide, 3.9 meters high, and 12 meters long Shade Dome. The Shade Dome can be customized to your needs. You have the option to have an end wall or a front wall with a roll-up door cover for full coverage. The length can easily be customized by adding additional arches or adjust the height by stacking shipping containers. The possibilities are endless. It can also be easily disassembled and transported to another site for maximum flexibility. Cost-effective, heavy-duty, and fully transportable. Get your Shade Dome by Transportable Shade Sheds. Hurry and contact us now to avail our limited time discount. Dial 1-300-667-433. Call us for any inquiries that you may have about our products. Click the like and share button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. To get more information and exciting deals, check the link to our website and Facebook page down in the description box below.